Hi, my name is Pei Hua and my student number is 2357289 Today I'm going to discuss about the project 2 in data warehousing. So we have a clean files over here which represent each node. So there's a lot of four nodes over here and the fact table is representing the crime ID in the arrow apps diagram. You can have a look over here, which the role is to link all the table together. So we have properties for each nodes and the relationship as well. So this is my idea in creating the arrow apps diagram. So and the PDF files over here, you can have there's a total of 6 part in my project 2 analysis. So this is about the graph database design and implementation. You can have a look at the details about my ideas in creating this report. So the part one is like drawing a web diagram before designing anything. And the part two is pre-processing crime data using the Python. And you can have a look over my zip files where I'm going to submit the Python files over here, which you can open it in your Python as well. Just download it. Then you can have a clear look of all of the code. And I have some description about the pre-processing of ETI as well about my ideas. So the part 3 will implement the property graph in Neo4j. So after I clean the data, I will import them into clean files and I will use the clean file, which is over here, to import them into Neo4j. So let's go to Neo4j now. Alright, first we have to activate the database. After we activate it, we can go to the over here, Neo4j browser. By waiting for it, we can have a look at this. I have also sent in the cyberscript files for graph and database creations. So this file included all of the cyber queries that I used to import the data into data node is over here into each nodes, and the data that this data cyber queries to create a relationship between all of the nodes. So you just have to load this code into Neo4j's browser, which I already did, so you can do it before starting anything. Then after we did it, we can use the code to answer the queries. But we can first have a look about this one. This is the code to have a look about the nodes and the region by using the graph. You can have a look over there. So this part is only demonstrating the first 300 nodes, which are the relationship between the nodes. Alright, so now let's have a close look about the queries. For the first question, let's just copy this code and paste it into here. This question is asking about how many crimes are recorded for a given crime time in a specific neighborhood for a particular period. So you can look at the code that I sent in the browser over here. So you can see the fact table, like it linked through the relationship past crime and choose the crime. The crime time I choose here is assault. And we also have to link it with the location, which is neighborhood, and I choose downtown as well. And it occurred in this date, within this period, I mean. And I specify the date as well. You can change these variables according to your preference. Then you can get a return account f as number of crime over here as a result, and you can see as well. So that is kind of the same for the other queries as well. Thank you.